Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your theme in YouTube application. So you can see I'm using a smartphone. So now you have to go your YouTube app. So I'm just going to click my YouTube app. So after that, here you'll see your YouTube interface like in home page. So it's my YouTube homepage. Then what you need to do, you need to tap on your profile. It's called EU, right bottom corner on your screen. Simply click on that. So once you tap on that, then you can see the option settings. Okay, top right corner. Then click on that, and then again click on general. So after that you can see appearance. So simply tap on appearance. Then here you'll see two theme, light theme and dark theme. So you can tap dark or light you want. So you can see it's now dark theme at present. If I tap on the uh, light theme, so you can see it's look like white. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.